Welcome to my mess. Okay, I'm playing tonight, and all I did was take these dollar store ornaments and cut out the middle with I use a um, dog nail clipper, or you can use scissors, but your scissors might get wrecked. So anyway, I um, cut this middle out, and then I just added lace pearl to the sides with glue, and you can see I didn't have enough, so I'm just going to put flowers up here and that'll cover it just fine. And then on the inside I added some lace. I'm not sure what kind of image I'm going to put in there. And then on the back side, this was the last piece of my snippet of such a pretty lace. It comes white, and I order it on eBay from China, and then I dyed it with Rit dye. I have a video, a lot of videos back where I dyed a bunch of lace, but you just use a smidgen of the dye, of the powder or the liquid, and you could see how deep a pink you want. And I wanted baby pink, so that's what I went for. So, sorry for my scratchy throat. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning. So anyway, on to this one. I forgot. Oh, okay. I was going to say I forgot what I was going to do with it. I put some paint and glitter on these flowers from I Am Roses. I'm just going to add some. And then I found this smidgen of lace. I'm going to use these leaves. So I'll be right back and show you the end result. Hi. Okay, I got the leaves and the flowers on the way I want them. And just by this alone would be fine, in my opinion. But then I thought, well, I have this lace. Where did it go now? Here. And it's just a snippet, so I cut 2 of them, but I put one higher than the other so it would look more of a dangle. And then I thought maybe putting that on the bottom. What do you think? I think we got yes. I'll be right back. Oh, I would show you how I glue things on, but it's pretty simple. And besides, I think you'd be bored out of your mind. So that's why I don't do the whole thing. Okay, so right this back. Is how it turned out. I don't like it. Just looks, I don't know, just, I don't like it. So I guess maybe I'm just used to this dangle. Got this off, it was a lampshade dangle from a thrift store, and I just took off the beads. I wish I could find it on eBay, but I could never find it on eBay. So I'll come back and put this on there and see if it looks any better. Yeah, I think it looks a lot better with this one, with the pearl trim. That's what the back looks like. So I can always take that lace out, and that's in the back, and put a picture in there, or leave the lace in there and just put like a little doodad, like a little Santa or in a tree or something. So, okay, I'll be back with another one. Hi. I'm surprised I can get back on here. What happened was, my phone said it couldn't record anything. So then I thought, okay, the phone's finally going, because last couple months I can't get calls, and if someone texts me, I get 20 minutes later. I even proved it to my sister when she picked me up one time. She picked me up, we're driving down the block, and I get a text from her saying, I'm here. And I said, see, it's delayed texts. But anyways, okay, this is how it turned out. And I did not do a very good job at all. But back of the tree ornament. And I just like the simplicity of it with the you know, it looks better in person, thank goodness. So that's how that turned out. And I'm just happy my camera's working again. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit. So all I'm doing is taking this snippet lace that I had and cutting the little, I call them leaves, off of there and putting them around. I put 4 on, and then I'm on my way to put the second on top of the first. So I think it'll look pretty. Be right back. I'm just going to add some pearls around the top. I'll be right back. So this is how it turned out. And sorry, my hand's shaky. And I put 2 rows on top, and then I should have had flat pearls, but I don't have those, so I just put the ones over here, the round ones. I could put one on the bottom too. Ah, for something easy peasy, it's good enough. Okay, the next easy one I made is just a flower cluster on one of these dollar store ornaments, and just painted the roses and then added the glitter. I don't know if you can see glitter or not. And these stamen are from I Am Roses. And what I do is I take like usually 3, but this time I took 4 of them. I'm trying to get this off here in a cluster and bend them in half, and then just glue them to a spot underneath the flower. And that's how I get that effect. So put some ribbon, or not ribbon, trim that I painted. Can you tell it's 7 o'clock in the morning? I dyed light pink. So, and I left the center empty because I want to start putting pictures of my kids inside these, and they're adults now, and I don't think they want their picture on my channel. But anyways, then this one, I took Hobby Lobby. They come in 4 in a pack, those deer, and I painted them white. And then I stuck some fake snow that I had from Hobby Lobby, I think, and then I sprinkled it with diamond dust as well. Flora Craft diamond dust. You can get that at Michael's. So I don't know how sparkly anything's coming through here, but yeah. So this was the one that had the lace inside. And then I just decided, well, there's going to be a herd of deer in there. So that's what that one looks like. And let's see, I think I just put trim around this one. I got the image off of Pinterest. I just love that image. And I might leave it just like this because I love that ribbon. Or trim, sorry. I just love that trim. And so yeah. So thank you for stopping by, and all I can say is if I can do it, you can do it. And oh, I wanted to mention also, when I had that, I'll go get it so you know what I'm talking about. This goofy, very badly done ornament with pearls. The pearls I got like for $2.50, or actually cheaper with a coupon at Joann's. And what I wanted to tell you is when I used that glass ornament, yeah, just be careful because I used hot glue, and so far, you know, it didn't shatter, but I imagine it could. So just be careful. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.